Loctite Fixmaster metal rebuilding products with metal reinforcement fillers have superior adhesion and are machinable. They're designed to rebuild the worn or broken surface of your equipment parts, putting them back in service in no time. The liquid versions of these products are designed for making fixtures, casting, and molding applications. The putty versions of these products are designed for repairing or rebuilding broken parts. A great application example for these products is shaft repair. This critical equipment component can sometimes wear out due to improper assembly or overuse. For this application, Fixmaster Superior Metal is recommended. Start by using a lathe to undercut the shaft and create thread grooves in the area to be repaired. After machining, make sure to remove oil and other invisible contaminants by using Loctite cleaner and degreaser. Then thoroughly mix Fixmaster Superior Metal resin and hardener until it becomes one homogeneous color. With a spatula, apply Fixmaster Superior Metal by forcing it into the bottom of the thread grooves while the shaft is rotating at a very low speed. Make sure air bubbles are being removed. Continue to apply product until the area being repaired has a larger diameter than the actual shaft. After allowing the product to fully cure, machine down the repaired area to the shaft's original dimensions, and your shaft is ready to get back in service. By extending the life of your metal parts, Loctite Fixmaster metal rebuilding products will help you reduce downtime and save on overall replacement costs.